Welcome to this video on how to detect SSL, TLS and SSH servers on your network. My name is LAGuardian. I'm Head of Technical Services here at Netfort. So the reason we need to detect servers like this is because of the Heartbleed issue. And it's a flaw found in the OpenSSL application used by the majority of websites to secure transactions. The problem with this bug is it could allow people to access up to 64 kilobytes of memory within the server itself, possibly revealing passwords and all sorts of other sensitive data. There are many systems affected, lots of different flavors of Linux and operating systems affected. Now, it doesn't really affect Windows, but don't assume that a Windows server isn't impacted because there might be third-party software. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to find servers on your network not running OpenSSL 1.0.1g. Again, Windows servers should not be affected, but you should check them. Now, the problem as well, many devices could have OpenSSL running, but you don't know it, whether it be in NAS boxes or some sort of a network connected device. So what you can do is use LAGuardian to check for any servers running SSH-SSL, TLS. Don't rely on flow-based tools because they may be just looking at port numbers where you could have a system running SSL on port 8000. You just don't know. So don't rely on flow-based tools. Use something like LAGuardian, which can do deep packet inspection to check for servers. So let me go on to a LAGuardian now and check on this network if we have any servers that need to be updated. I'm now logged on to LAGuardian. If you don't have LAGuardian on your network, you can download a 30-day free trial from www.netfort.com, link shown at the screen at the moment. Once you're up and running, if you click on reports and under security, you should see a SSL TLS servers report here. If you don't have that report, go into configuration and go to the system section here and make sure that the LAGuardian is configured to access the internet, whether it's through proxy or direct. So I'm now going to select this report. You can choose whatever, last hour, 4 hours, 24 hours, or maybe go back a couple of days. Let's take a look and see how we got servers. Now it's listing all servers here, including external ones. So what I need to do is filter based on my local subnet. Now if you have multiple subnets, that's fine. You just need to list them here with a comma separating them. So I use the 10 network, so 10.0.0/8 will give me everything. I've got two servers detected. The first one is LAGuardian. Now we don't have a problem with LAGuardian, so I can ignore that. But I do have a NAS server here, so let's do some analysis on it. So we just click on the total here to drill down. So we do see it's running SSL encrypted application. Also SSH is running on this server. This information here is not based on ports. It's much more clever than flow-based systems. I would not rely on flow-based systems for this analysis because you can have SSL and TLS running on, it doesn't have to be 443, it could be any port. So you do need to use something with a bit more intelligence that looks at the packet content to see what applications are running here. So I do have this server, so the next thing I need to understand is who is connecting to this server. So I simply click on the traffic total and see what IP addresses are connecting to this server. So this is a local one. If this was external, I'd be more concerned. It is local, it's over port 443. So it is a standard one in this case here, but again, that can be any number. So the next thing I need to do now is get onto this server and update the OpenSSL software on it, so I'm running the latest version. So that's what you need to do. You do need to go and get an inventory of all servers on your network that could be running OpenSSL, and then check and make sure that they're updated. If you need to find out more information about LAGuardian or how to install, please go to our website, netfort.com.